Discover the power of a Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile is a powerful tool for managing your local business online presence across various Google products like Maps and Search. Whether you run a brick-and-mortar business or serve customers within a specific service area, having a business profile can significantly help potential customers find you. Having a verified business on Google not only enhances your credibility, but also increases your chances of being considered reputable. Imagine a potential customer just a few blocks away from your storefront, searching for the services you offer. What will they find if they search on Google? By having a well-optimized Google Business Profile, you can ensure that customers easily discover your products and services and can conveniently contact you or find your location. An optimized Google Business Profile gets noticed more often because Google wants to put nice-looking listings at the top. Google Business Profile has exploded in recent years to become one of the most high-performing, powerful tools in SEO. Make the most out of your Google listing with the help of a Google Business Profile expert. If you want your Google Business Profile to be optimized and to appear in the Google Local Map Pack for your target locations, you can visit the Bruce Jones SEO website, https://brucejonesSEO.com, Google Business Profile Expert, and discover their Google Business Profile Optimization and Management service and get a free consultation. Or you want to learn how to optimize your Google Business Profile, visit One-on-One SEO Training, https://oneonone-SEOtraining.com. They offer a hands-on and customized Google Business Profile training course. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the JovieSocial YouTube channel for more awesome content about digital marketing.